Hi all, welcome to Guptaji the Great. Let us learn wealth creation done by Bhavish Agarwal, the founder and CEO of Ola. So in 2015, Ola had 60% market share. Uber entered India just just 2 years ago that and the Uber had just 5% market share in India. Uber planned to acquire Merucabs which have 20% market share, which was the second largest ride sharing platform. And Taxi for Sure was a third. If Uber would have acquired both Merucabs and Taxi for Sure, they would have got 34% market share. But Uber wanted to fire 90% of the staff, which Taxi for Sure did not agree for. This is where it was the best opportunity for Bhavesh Agarwal, the Ola founder, to give a good deal to Taxi for Sure. He agreed that he will retain the complete staff, and he negotiated and acquired at very reasonable valuation, $200 million. Taxi for Sure had 15,000 cabs at that time, and Ola already had 1 lakh cabs. Adding 15,000 more cabs to the ride-hailing platform, which already have 1 lakh, is a great deal. It's like Bahubali dialogue.
बलवान को और बलवान करो.
So the best mergers and acquisitions deals go at 10G speed, not 5G speed. So most of the deals are like KGF dialogue.
बिजनेस करेंगे. Offer closes soon.
In 2017, Ola launched electric cabs. They piloted it in Nagpur in collaboration with Mahindra and Mahindra. So they started 50 charging stations with 100 EV cabs, but it didn't work out well because the EVs at that point of time were not having good range, which we have nowadays. Then he realized that running EV fleet on ride-hailing platforms at that point of time was not a great move. That is when he pivoted to the EV manufacturing company itself. Then he acquired Amsterdam-based EV two-wheeler manufacturing company Ertigo. Their model was App Scooter, which is like Tesla of the two-wheeler, which had 240 kilometers range and with swappable batteries and a great design. This company Ertigo, they raised investments at $90 million, but Ola acquired it at just $4.4 million. So if you acquire a great company at very less valuation and you change the business models, revenue generation models, teams, and you scale them up, that is where you can create wealth. With this acquisition, he launched Ola S1 in 2021, with which he got 52% market share in EV two-wheeler business. This is how wealth can be created. Thank you.